Hi! Welcome to MotorMav. In the last video, we have known about what is spark plug. In this video, we will learn about the types of spark plugs and their functions. Basically, there are four major types of spark plugs: copper spark plug, iridium spark plug, platinum spark plug, and silver spark plug. Copper spark plugs, the most basic type of spark plugs, made with a copper core that provides excellent thermal conductivity and good electrical conductivity. It's best for older vehicles, pre-1980s, with low-voltage ignition systems and some high-performance engines. These are inexpensive. Provides good heat conductivity for performance applications. But they have short lifespan. Requires frequent replacement. Needs more voltage to generate spark. Platinum spark plugs comparatively more durable. These are best for newer vehicles with electronic distributor ignition systems, (DIS). It lasts longer than copper plugs, up to 60,000 miles. Reduces carbon buildup. However, it's not the most durable option. However, platinum spark plugs comes in two varieties: single platinum spark plug and double platinum spark plug. Double platinum spark plugs are similar to general or single platinum spark plugs, but they feature a platinum tip on both the center and ground electrodes. This design provides even better performance and longevity than standard single platinum spark plugs. Iridium spark plugs, more advanced type of spark plug, made with an iridium tip. It's best for modern vehicles with coil-on plug, COP, ignition systems, and performance-oriented engines. It has the longest lifespan, up to 100,000 miles. Requires less voltage. Tip is much harder and the most durable. Improves fuel efficiency and combustion. To be noted, the most expensive option. Like iridium, platinum also has two varieties, single and double platinum spark plug. Don't just pick the fanciest plug. Always check owner's manual for the recommended spark plug type for your car. Upgrading to a more expensive plug might not be beneficial if your car is designed for copper plugs. Here's a tip. Stick with copper plugs for pre-1980s vehicles, or if your manual specifies them. Choose iridium plugs for most modern vehicles with DIS, unless your manual suggests iridium. Option for platinum plugs for high-performance engines, or if your manual recommends them, for COP systems. Thanks for watching. And please, like this video and subscribe to MotorMav.